Hi, welcome back to the Bitchin Bowl Challenge, and today we are making the chicken adobo bowl. Now this is very exciting because we're going to use Chipotle, which is so special. I'm going to tell you a little bit more about why that matters in this meal in a minute. But we're also making chicken adobo, which has become a huge family favorite ever since everyone's been trying to kind of get back to their Filipino roots. It's kind of become a really sweet way that we all stay connected when we are far apart. Everyone kind of has their chicken adobo night, and they share their success with each other. They share their failures with each other. It's mostly just been success. It's gonna be great. Skip, why do you like chicken adobo?
Because it's super tasty and it's from the Philippines.
Very nice. So the recipe was originally, I guess, Loie's recipe, and she gave it to some people but not to everyone, so we've all been kind of trying to figure it out. But Luke has imparted to me the wisdom of the recipe, which is basically that this is chicken thighs. I have some boneless, skinless, and then I have some bone-in and skin-on because there are preferences. Bay leaf, soy sauce, vinegar, pepper. And it's been marinating in this for a while now, which is why you didn't get to see me put it together. But I'm going to basically start cooking the chicken. We're gonna like brown it up, cook it up, separate it, put in the sauce and let it reduce, and this is gonna take hours. So stay tuned. All right, so this dish in addition, dish in addition. This dish, in addition to having our chipotle, is going to have steamed rice from a rice cooker.
As always. And
mango, which is basically mung beans. And this cracks me up because I always think about The Office when Creed is like, they're like, oh, he smells like death. He's like, I've been sprouting mung beans in my file cabinet or something like that. I'm totally misquoting it, but anyways, I was a little bit suspect of the mung bean stuff, but Tita Neen sent over a recipe that looked pretty good. She said it was good, and so we're gonna try it. So I have these mung beans, and they are sprouted. They don't smell that bad.
Yeah, not that bad.
They don't smell that bad. They smell great. And basically, the recipe calls for 1 small onion, some garlic, some tomatoes, and it asks for some other things that I couldn't find, like bitter melon leaves, and then I think it's patis, which is basically fish sauce, which I could find. So we're going to make that, and it's going to go on our bowl and be so delicious. And then the other component of this is going to be kind of a fresher salad, like a nice little cucumber, mango, and tomato, just a little extra, the freshness, the freshness. So we're gonna do that while our chicken is cooking. We're making ourselves a bowl.
Sweet.
Okay, it was hours, several hours. In the meantime, the mango has been fully prepared and it's ready to go in the bowl. I've got my rice. The chicken, the adobo, simmered so lovely. I feel like I left out some important bits that maybe we will revisit on a later video, but basically you have to add a bunch of onions and some brown sugar in order to get the caramelization that makes it really sing and puts together the whole gravy. It's really important. I forgot to tell you about it. I'm sorry. But we can come back to that later. I'm just finishing up this salad, which is just the freshest little, it's probably the tiniest salad I've ever made. I don't know who has a tiny salad challenge, but it's very small. And I'm going to put it on my bowl, and it's gonna be so great. I'm going to squeeze this lime on top of it, and then we're gonna assemble it. Ooh, I teased you guys before. when I was talking about the Chipotle sauce. Why is Chipotle so important to this particular dish? It's because Loey apparently always cooked with a special spice. And everyone's like, oh, it's a special spice. What is it? It was pimenton, which is basically smoked paprika. And we use a lot of that in our Chipotle. So this is honoring that dash of spice that Loey would bring to every delicious meal. All right, I'm gonna finish up my salad, put it all together, be right back. All right, there's controversy already. Luke is telling me that it's not pimenton, even though Loey told me. I sat with her and she told me. He's saying it was pimentos. It was the actual like tiny little thing that they shove in an olive. We've got controversy. The cousins are gonna be involved. It's time to ask everyone, what was it? Are we talking about tiny peppers or the spice, which was on the recipes that she gave me because she loved me? We shall see. In the meantime, the bowl. I have rice. I did not make this rice. I don't know how to make rice in a rice cooker in a good way. But I'm very thankful for the people who support me, who will do that for me. I do have this lovely chicken adobo that I'm going to add to it. And I think, you know, what you really have to just savor is like this amazing glaze that's going on. It's so beautiful. I want more sauce. There's some glaze and sauce. I've got my lime going into this salad. I've got my mungo beans, which this was a first timer for me, but I think they're great. They taste delicious. They taste nutritious, but not in a weird way. Not in a Creed from The Office way. They're actually like really good. And then just give this a quick little mix it all together. Add my little crispy salad to the bowl. I think that's gonna be just so lovely. I wonder if anyone has any pimentos. We're putting the sauce on it. It actually looks really pretty. Look at that. That's beautiful. Adding the sauce. And this is, you know, you're getting the proper bowl here. You're getting all the things that you want. It's got a bean. It's got a grain. It's got protein and freshness. This is going to be so tasty. I feel like I should throw something on top of it for an added garnish. And that something is going to be a little extra salad. Okay. I'm very thankful for this bowl. I'm very interested to find out whether it's pimento or pimenton. And I'm very thankful for you. And we're going to just chow down. Let's see what this is all about. Okay, getting tiny bit. Oh, yes. That gravied, delicious chicken. The rice, the manga. This is really delicious. I hope you have a lovely day. A bitchin' day.